Hi children, today we are going to study a new topic, that is atmospheric refraction of light. You are familiar with the term refraction of light. What is refraction? When light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the path of light in the second medium changes. That is called refraction. Similarly, when light from sun and stars passes through different layers of the atmosphere, undergoes a refraction continuously. This is called atmospheric refraction of light. Familiar with the different layers of atmosphere such as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These different layers differ in their physical and chemical properties like pressure, temperature, humidity, etc. Due to this different layers have different values of refractive index also. So when light passes through these layers, undergoes refraction continuously. This is called atmospheric refraction. The lower layers of the atmosphere nearer to Earth are denser, so they have more refractive index. When we go higher and higher, refractive index of the medium reduces. That means light from the sun and stars travel from rarer medium to denser medium before reaching Earth. Due to this, the light ray bends towards the normal. We can explain twinkling of stars and advanced sun rays and delayed sunset using this phenomenon. What is the reason for twinkling of stars? Consider a person is observing a star. This is the position of the star. And the stars are very far away from Earth. So the starlight has to travel long distance to reach Earth. And as we studied, it will undergo refraction continuously. That means atmospheric refraction takes place and starlight bends more and more towards the normal. Why? Because it is starting from rarer medium to denser medium. When light travels from rarer to denser medium, the refractor rate bends towards the normal. So the light will bend more and more towards the normal. So this is the way light reaches our eyes. So a person observing the star actually see the star little bit away from the actual position. He will observe the star here. Actually the star is here, but he can see the star at a higher position. This is called the actual position of the star and this is called the apparent position. So why there is a change in the position of the star? This is due to atmospheric refraction of light. Actually the star is here, but due to atmospheric refraction, the starlight bends more and more towards the normal. So a person observing from Earth views the star at a position which is above than the actual position. And this position is not stationary. It will change continuously because the physical conditions of the Earth is not constant, it varies continuously. Due to this, apparent position changes. And also, the amount of light. Stars are considered as a very minute point source of light. Can you see a correct star shape there? You can see only a dots. That means stars are considered as a point source of light, a point object. We can see star as a point object. So when light comes from that point source, when the light from the point source passes through different layers of the Earth, this amount of light entering the Earth changes due to atmospheric refraction. Sometimes more amount of light reaches, sometimes less amount of light reaches. Why? The physical properties of the medium changes continuously. Physical and chemical properties of the atmosphere changes continuously. Due to that, amount of light also changes. Sometimes more amount of light reaches, sometimes less amount of light reaches, and this gives a twinkling effect. Sometimes appear bright, sometimes appear faint. It gives a twinkling effect. So this is the reason for twinkling of stars. The reason is atmospheric refraction of light, and stars are considered as far away objects. Stars are far away from Earth, and due to atmospheric refraction, the path of the light changes, and this apparent position changes continuously. At the same time, the light entering the Earth also changes. Due to this, stars appear twinkling. Okay. So twinkling of stars can be explained based on atmospheric refraction of light. So once again I will explain. Stars are far away from Earth, and when the starlight passes through different layers of the Earth, undergoes atmospheric refraction continuously. So the position of the star changes, and this apparent position is not stationary. That also keeps on changing, and stars are considered as point source of light, and the light from the point source, sometimes light from the point source reaches, stars are considered as point sources of light, and sometimes more amount of light reaches from the point source, sometimes less amount of light, and this gives the twinkling effect. Okay.
Why do planets not twinkle? Planets are very near to Earth compared to stars, and they are considered as extended sources of light. They are considered as a collection of large number of point sources of light. Even though some point sources do not emit light, the average light from the planet remains the same. So this nullifies the twinkling effect.
The atmospheric refraction can be used to explain advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. What is that? Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. That means before the actual sunrise, that means 2 minutes before the actual sunrise, we can see the sun. And 2 minutes after the actual sunset, we can see the sun. During sunrise and sunset, sun will be at the horizon. Have you watched the sunrise and sunset? That time sun will be at the horizon. You can see a line, and the sun is going below that line or rising above the line. That's called a horizon. The sun will be at the horizon. So before sunrise, sun will be below the horizon. That time actually we can't see the sun. But due to atmospheric refraction, even if the sun is below the horizon, we can see that 2 minutes before the actual sunrise. That means when the sunlight travels through the different layers of the earth, different layers of atmosphere, it will undergo refraction, it will bend. So a person observing from the earth will observe the sun above the horizon. Actually the sun is below the horizon, but due to atmospheric refraction of light, it appears here. 2 minutes before we can see the sun. Sun is here, but we can observe here. Why? The sunlight undergoes refraction, atmospheric refraction. Due to that, the light appears to come a point above the horizon. So we can see sun 2 minutes before the actual sunrise. What's the reason? The reason is atmospheric refraction of light. Then sunset. During sunset, that means the sun will be below the horizon. Sun has gone below the horizon, but 2 minutes more we can see the sun. That means after the sunset, 2 more minutes we can view the sun. The same reason, atmospheric refraction of light, the light ray will bend, so it appears to see here.